Donor support shapes the future of our campus, paving the path for every student to thrive. The UD journey begins with a single step. Your gifts provide critical scholarships and expand access, putting a UD education within reach for every future flyer. If there's one word to describe life here, it's community. Your support builds this network, fueling innovative programs and a flight crew of campus resources. Donor generosity opens doors to immersive, hands-on learning. Your gifts allow students to take flight, bringing classroom theories to life. Because of your support, UD graduates are ready to soar, prepared to make a lasting impact on the world. You make a difference for today's Flyers.